Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I want us to briefly learn about join types in Power BI for enhanced data analysis. To begin with, let's start with inner join. This returns only the rows from both tables that have matching values in the specified column. Second on the list is left outer join. This returns all rows from the left table and the matching rows from the right table. The next join types is the right outer join. This is the vice versa of left outer join because it returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. Fourth is the full outer join. This returns all rows from both tables and combine the result of both the left outer join and the right outer join. The last but not the least is the cross join. Cross join in Power BI perform implicitly when you create relationship between tables without specifying any join condition. I hope you find this topic educative. Stay tuned for more.